All right, how do we connect our store to Replo Shopify? Well, we go to Replo, click sign up for free, log in, and they'll prompt us to connect our store, okay? So we can simply import it from Shopify. I don't have one, so we'll select I'm brand new and ask for guidance. All right, first they want to know us, so we'll fill out this section with our name and store name. Which option describes us best, okay? Let's say marketing management, and what's our annual revenue, right? We continue, and they show us their pricing plans from $100 to $500 monthly, but offer a free trial to test it out and see what we'd like to build. Got it? Well, as you can see, we're starting with the assets and store details. They've asked what we'd like to build. Let's say we want to build the first thing they've given us here, a landing page, this very one. We'll click duplicate template. Okay, as you can see, they provide the template ready for us to modify different sections. We can publish it, connect with Shopify, and they give us this workspace to build the page quickly. Here you see just one page, but we could create multiple pages if needed. For example, when we click this button, it redirects us to another page like interactions. We could set it to go to any page we want. Obviously, we need to create the page we want to redirect to first. But anyway, this is Replo. It has a statistics section where we can see data for our pages, clicks, sessions, conversions, profit, and more. We also have A/B testing to try different options and see which works best. So that's it. That's how Replo works. Pretty simple.